Let's create a second project. And remember, as long as you use the .brizy.site extension, you can create unlimited websites. How awesome is that? This one is starter kit, so I want to create a new one. Go to website and landing page, and I call this one starter kit 2. Example, Project 2, select and call it starter kit number 2, give it a name. And if you want to publish it with a different name, you go to the subdomain, and like we did at the beginning, you have here a boysenberry. I've never seen that, and a number, and you can call this starter kit 2 for 2022 and submit. And if anyone took that, I'll eat my hat, which I never wear, and there you go. That's how you can create a second project. And now go ahead, build another project. Very nice. Sometimes I send people a PowerPoint presentation for something. Why don't I create this on a page like this? And I send them the link. How awesome will that be? Something that they can instantly view on their phone. Don't need to download it. They just need to have an internet connection.